Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're diving into the world of gut health as we explore the top 8 prebiotic foods that can work wonders for achieving the ultimate balance in your microbiome. Your gut is like a bustling city of microorganisms, and nurturing the right ones can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Starting with number 1, Chicory Root stands out as a nutritional powerhouse, boasting an impressive profile as one of the richest sources of inulin. Inulin, classified as a soluble fiber, plays a pivotal role as a prebiotic, promoting the flourishing of beneficial bacteria within the gastrointestinal tract. This unique attribute of chicory root contributes to its significance in supporting gut health. By serving as a nourishing substrate for probiotic microorganisms, inulin derived from chicory root fosters a balanced and thriving microbial community in the digestive system. The inclusion of chicory root in one's diet thus emerges as a strategic choice for those seeking to enhance their overall gut well-being through the cultivation of a robust and diverse microbiome. Let's move on to number 2, garlic. Renowned for its distinctive flavor and culinary versatility, offers more than just taste to a dish. It also provides notable health benefits, particularly in the realm of gut health. Within its composition, garlic contains inulin and fructooligosaccharides, FOS, making it a rich source of prebiotics. By serving as a fuel source for probiotics, inulin and FOS derived from garlic contribute to the maintenance of a healthy and balanced gut microbiome. Incorporating garlic into one's diet not only elevates the sensory appeal of meals, but also supports digestive well-being by fostering the flourishing of essential microorganisms in the gut, ultimately contributing to overall health. Number 3 on our list is onions. Known for their pungent flavor and culinary versatility, emerge as nutritional allies in the quest for a healthy gut microbiome. Raw onions in particular stand out for their richness in inulin and fructooligosaccharides, FOS, both of which are recognized as prebiotics. These compounds serve as essential nutrients for the beneficial bacteria residing in the gut, promoting their growth and activity. By incorporating raw onions into one's diet, individuals can support the cultivation of a thriving and diverse community of microorganisms in the digestive system. Embracing raw onions as a dietary staple thus becomes a flavorful and strategic choice for those aiming to foster a robust and balanced gut microbiome. Bringing us to number 4. Bananas, often praised for their natural sweetness and portability, bring more than just taste to the table when it comes to promoting gut health. Unripe bananas in particular emerge as noteworthy contributors due to their high content of resistant starch, a beneficial type of carbohydrate that functions as a prebiotic. By serving as a nourishing substrate for these microorganisms in the colon, unripe bananas play a role in fostering the growth and activity of the gut's beneficial bacteria. This prebiotic property not only adds to the nutritional value of bananas, but also positions them as a convenient and delicious choice for those looking to support a healthy and thriving gut microbiome. Number 5, we have asparagus. Celebrated for its delicate flavor and nutritional richness, offers a distinctive contribution to gut health through its content of inulin. This fibrous compound classifies as a prebiotic, playing a pivotal role in supporting the growth and vitality of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Asparagus, by providing a source of inulin, serves as a nourishing substrate for probiotics in the gastrointestinal tract. This prebiotic property not only enhances the overall fiber content of asparagus, but also underscores its significance in fostering a balanced and robust gut microbiome. Including asparagus in one's diet becomes a flavorful and health-conscious choice, aligning with the goal of promoting digestive well-being through the cultivation of a thriving community of beneficial microorganisms in the digestive system. Let's Let's move on to number 6, Jerusalem artichoke. A lesser-known tuber with a distinctive nutty flavor emerges as a nutritional gem, particularly for those seeking to support gut health. This versatile tuber stands out for its richness in inulin, a potent prebiotic. The presence of inulin in Jerusalem artichoke makes it a strategic addition to the diet, as it actively promotes the growth and activity of beneficial microorganisms in the gut. Incorporating Jerusalem artichoke into meals not only introduces a unique flavor, but also aligns with the goal of nurturing a healthy and diverse gut microbiome. This quality positions Jerusalem artichoke as a valuable and delicious option for those looking to enhance their digestive well-being through natural prebiotic sources. Number 7 on our list is leeks. Belonging to the allium family alongside onions and garlic, offers a flavorful addition to meals while delivering notable prebiotic benefits. Within their composition, leeks contain inulin, a type of non-digestible fiber that classifies as a prebiotic. This characteristic makes leeks a valuable food choice for those looking to support a healthy gut microbiome. By incorporating leeks into one's diet, individuals not only introduce a distinct and mild onion-like flavor to their dishes, but also contribute to the cultivation of a balanced and thriving community of microorganisms in the gut. Embracing leeks as a culinary staple thus aligns with the goal of enhancing digestive well-being through the consumption of natural prebiotic sources. Bringing us to number 8, Dandelion Greens. Often overlooked in traditional culinary landscapes, emerges as a nutrient-dense powerhouse with distinctive prebiotic properties. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, these leafy green vegetables also boast a significant content of inulin. This fibrous compound, categorized as a prebiotic, becomes a valuable resource for nourishing beneficial bacteria in the gut. By incorporating dandelion greens into one's diet, individuals not only tap into a rich source of nutrients, but also actively contribute to the promotion of a healthy gut microbiome. Embracing dandelion greens in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes provides a flavorful and health-conscious means of promoting digestive well-being through the inclusion of natural prebiotic elements. Thanks for tuning into our video on the 8 best prebiotic foods for ultimate gut health balance. If you found this information helpful in your journey towards a healthier gut, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.